We're live.
Yes, you're live.
Hi guys. So we have been touring the whole of Gunjur.
Yes.
Looking at properties and stuff like that, because you know that's what we do.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And so we, in the middle of all of that, well, it's 1:30 something now, and we have made a stop at this place called Nemasu. So we're gonna check it out. It seems like it's a lodge or some place for resting and entertaining yourselves and stuff like that. So we'll grab some food, you know, and see what else them have on.
Yeah.
We'll see what them have on the menu and see what else them have in the vicinity.
First, I like this. This is like earth blocks or something. I don't know.
Yeah, it seems like it wasn't made with a little cement in it.
Yeah. It's like earth blocks.
Earth bricks.
Earth bricks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, let's go.
Yeah,
Yeah, I like this structure, Jody.
yeah.
This one has solar on it.
Yeah, this is nice.
Mm-hmm.
This reminds me of one of them earthship homes where they normally show it on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, really. It looks like that earthship kind of vibe. Look at this one. Oh my God.
Yeah.
And you can go upstairs with this one. Yeah, this one, the roof is flat. You can go upstairs.
It's very nice.
So
I like the work.
Restaurant and the reception. Let's walk around first.
Yeah.
And see.
Check this artwork.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. The design on this one is very nice.
Our season, guys. Ah, we can see the view from here.
Oh, what is that? Is that the sea? Oh my God. Okay. Yeah. So we're up on the thing again.
Yes, we are.
All right. So we were checking out these shells,
Yes.
and I was like, I love the way that they do the shells to make this. This is very creative, don't you think so?
Yes, I think so. Absolutely. I love the shells.
Yeah.
This is the walkway. I guess you can go down.
Go down to the sea.
Possibly.
But let's do this part first, like how we're here. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look at how they use the glass bottles.
Oh, yes. This is what you call recycling.
Yes.
It's very nice. Ooh, Jody. No, I have to take a thumbnail here. Wait. Okay. So yeah, I was just talking about this, and I like the door, the design of the door.
Yeah.
And they use the straw for the roofing. It's very nice. Yeah. I like the work of this. It's very nice. It's very African, but it reminds me of the Caribbean somewhat. This is
you can actually sit here.
yeah. You know what, Jody? I would live in this. I don't know how you feel about it, but I would definitely live into this place.
I just realized
The straw,
they have
the zinc first.
the bamboo. They have the bamboo covering, then the zinc, and then the grass.
Yes, that is true.
Very nice.
It's very nice, guys. It's straight African, and you have a step that go upstairs. You can go up there, go chill, I guess. Look at this one. So you can go up there to chill. I don't know.
This is so cool.
There's so much to look at.
Yeah.
What is the name of this place again, Jody? You remember?
Nemasu, I think it is.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like this step. It's very nice. And people are actually out here staying. That's so cool. I have to be careful how I record. Wow, guys.
Look at the shell.
That's what I'm saying.
Look at the shell.
Right?
And you can feel the texture under your feet.
Yeah, I can feel it when I'm walking.
This is good massage.
Yeah, right? I would walk barefoot in this area, guys. Look at this. I would love to make something like this. This is something that we need to make right at the beach. It's very good. Let's go out of food. I'm hungry.
Which way do we go? This way?
Yes.
That way?
This way. This is nice as well.
You could go behind us.
No, you have to go this way to reception. Yeah. And the palm trees.
Oh my gosh, the breeze.
This is awesome.
Super dinner.
Life plant. Yeah. So while Jody go and see what's there, I will go and fast record. This place is lovely, guys. I swear to God. Gunjur is definitely a place to visit or consider living when you're in the Gambia. I'm telling you, Yeah, that's the beach over there. So that entire thing, I guess at nights they light fires right there. And then that's the step to go up there. So I like the design. You know, it's very eco-friendly. This is an eco lodge. Yes, it's an eco lodge. It's beautiful. Wow. Guys, remember the mosque that we were seeing? There is the mosque. We're closer to the mosque now. So cool. Yeah, you can just come out here and chill, enjoy a snack or whatever while you're at the beach. You can go down there and go to the beach. We may do that soon. It's just awesome, guys. I mean, seriously.
I just enjoyed my swinging.
I saw you swinging.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's dope.
I like it.
What do you think? You really like this place?
The breeze is so cool and nice.
Would you come and stay at this place?
Of course I would come and stay. Why wouldn't I come and stay? Especially for those who love the nature and the yoga vibe and the meditation vibe.
Yeah, it's dope. And I was just showing them the mosque. Did you know that the mosque is just right over that side?
The mosque is right down that side.
Yeah, the mosque is right down that side.
See it.
I was
so
thinking.
that means we're coming from all the way up that side, or?
Yeah, but you see, because we were going around in circles,
okay,
we don't realize that we were actually coming closer to the mosque. We thought we were going further away.
That's interesting. So that's where they're gone now.
Look at that one.
Is that where they're gone now?
Yeah.
To the mosque.
Yeah. That one is over there swinging and stuff. So yeah, guys, look at this. I like this. This is natural wood from the Gambia. I'm thinking.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, but it feels solid.
Trunk.
It's a tree trunk. But
probably
I like.
It was above a tree.
I like that.
The shape of it. It's possible. You know.
Yeah. I like that they use everything in here eco, like, you know, from the
eco
wood.
Vibe, yeah.
Yeah, it's very nice. Wow. And it's very quiet and peaceful. Yeah, so you can see another structure behind me right there. This is another view of the place. And guys, this is it. This is it.
This is
okay, so let me take a tour to the fireplace. So I guess this is the fireplace. But they light fires at night, chanting, dancing around the fire type thing. Yeah. But the palm trees though, guys. No joke. It's very beautiful. Yo guys, this is very nice. You can see the workmanship of this house is just amazing. The straw roof, the roundhouse setting. I can bet you inside it's very comfortable. I cannot go inside now because people are living there. But you can see this. This is Africa's finest real estate. I mean house. Yeah. Damn, this is nice. This is nice. And everything is solar powered here, because there's no Nawik here, no Nawik for water and electricity. So everything is off the grid, 100%. This is the kind of dwelling that people should look into. You can live like this first and then transition to something bigger. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. Very nice. We'll park out there. So yeah, that is here. The kind of houses like these, we want to tour and see more of them, because this is just amazing to me. I love this type of life. Yeah. It's very nice. You know, most people don't come to these places. I don't know if it's because they don't know about it, but I'm telling you guys about it. You should definitely come check this place out. Yeah. This was very nicely done. I talk about the shell and how it's used with this to make these, you know, artwork. It's very nice. I call them artwork. See, borewell. This is way out in Gunjur, and this is a borewell, and this is a solar powered facility. So you don't necessarily need to be in the city to live the good life. That's what I'm saying. You can be out here and still enjoy yourself, have a nice life, you know. Have a nice land somewhere like this, have your solar powered everything, have a backup generator just in case, whatever, and just live comfortably, you know. So me, I'm going back to the car because the place is cool. I swear it's extremely cool. Woo, it's cool. I'm going back to the car to pick something up. Let me show you guys this. So that's the name of the place. If you're coming to the Gambia, check this place out. It's located in Gunjur. We just stopped by on our journey, but we wanted to do a full tour of the place and let you see. So I'm gonna go back inside in a few. Okay, so I'm going back. Hopefully by now food will be ready and then we'll be out of here. But the view, guys. Whew. Oh my god, let me see if I can zoom in. Guys, look. Hundreds of ships out there. Are they fishing for something? Of course, AP, that's a stupid question. Wow, I've never seen so many boats in the water in the Gambia before. That's so cool. I wonder if I could go down to the beach and see what that's like. Let me see if I can do that. Of course I can. Ooh.
I never know what to choose for the menu, so I just choose the best thing when I know. Fish and chips.
Looks nice. And ketchup. Don't forget the ketchup.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I dash some ketchup on.
This is nice, guys. So I'm gonna eat it now. I cannot share it, unfortunately. I'm sorry, huh?
I can just put the ketchup one side, yeah, so.
You wanna put ketchup on the side?
Fish,
What? Was nice.
If you can't eat no food, I will get cold.
They did. How was the food? Why are you looking at me like that?
The food was great.
It was good?
Honest, yes. I loved it. It was fantastic.
Yeah, obviously. Yeah, so I'm heading down to the beach to show you guys what it's like here. This place is right at the beach. You can rent this, guys, short term. I don't think they have a problem with long term renting, but I know you can rent it for short term. Yeah, so that's the place. I like these gates. These gates are nice, locally made. Yeah, so let's go to the beach. Whew. This place is good there. Let me go this side. Oh, there's the moss. There's the moss right there. Can you guys see it? That's the moss right there. Yeah. So for some reason, I am the only one touring the beach right now because Jody can't well see it. But guys, look over there. This is where I saw the bunch of ships. More ships, boats. You see that? That's a whole lot of boats, guys. A whole lot of boats. It seems like the boats, the guys from the boats somehow are at the mast. I don't know if you guys can see those people at the mast right there. That's a whole lot of people at the mast. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, family, so if you don't see no more video from me, I guess I wrap up. The beach is nice. Gunjur, yeah, Gunjur our place. So when you're in the Gambia, guys, make sure to come and check this place out. It's very nice. You can just walk all the way back around to the mosque from here. And yeah, we're going home now. I'm so tired. I think we have one more stop, and then after that stop, we'll go yard.